Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Hope you're doing good. So today we have an unboxing video. These are a pair of earphones I received as a gift. I'm not really sure what type they are, but that's why we're doing the unboxing video to see. I'll do a separate video reviewing them and I'll talk about the price and all the good stuff, whether you should cop them or not. So this is just an unboxing video. So let's go straight into it. I have my knife. Do I need it? I don't know. Yeah, we'll leave it. Alright. Okay, what is those? Beats. Oh, beats. I don't know if y'all can see. Alright, nothing more in here. So we have the Beats Flex. Nice. Okay, these are brand new. If you've watched my other unboxing video unboxing the other earphones I had, man, those earphones are shit. Yeah, they didn't last over, I think, a month or 2 months, but let's see how these will last. So not bad. I like the box, simple. I never owned Beats, so I don't know how good they are, but and guys, if my voice sounds weird, I have the flu for a couple of days now, so yeah, that's what it is. So all day wireless Bluetooth earphones with USB charging cable. All right, let's get into it. Okay, kind of like a box manual. Oh, sweet. Yeah, it is nice. Maybe I will get the Beats headphones to complement these. Let's see how well these will work for me. So we have the charging cable, ear tips, Apple Music, how to pair with your iPhone, you know, some good stuff here, manuals and safety information. So choking hazard, you know, because this thing can really mess kids up. So do not try to scam my shit. Let me just cover that. Yeah. So not so bad. I like the design. Let's pop them out. Okay. Ear tips. Yo. It's always nice to have extra ear tips. And you know, they have varying sizes. There's a small, medium, and this is big if your ears are big like mine. And there's nothing in here, is there? So guys, that's it. So we have the product itself, charger, just like the stuff, and the manuals. So stay tuned for another video where I'm actually going to test them, and I'll let you know my thoughts if they are good to cop or not. So thanks for watching this video. Stay tuned. Peace.